Okay, so this is the outside of the Premier Inn at Exchange Square at Birmingham. And then the Bar and Block Steakhouse is where you have your breakfast in the morning and also an evening meal if you choose to do so. Outside terracing as well during the summer, very, very nice. Okay, so just arrived at the Premier Inn at Exchange Square in the centre of Birmingham. So I paid for a normal standard Premier Inn room, but this one's got air conditioning, which is absolutely excellent because of the heat and humidity outside. Apparently in Cambridge it was the hottest day of the year today. So this is what you get for your money. TV there. Outside view because I'm on one of the upper floors. Additional bed. The guaranteed good night's sleep bed. Into the bathroom. Lovely and clean. So there we go. Very, very nice. Very nice indeed. £43 a night for 3 nights in August 2024. An absolute bargain.